Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to get a refund on eBay. To get a refund on eBay, what you need to do is first you need to open the app, tap on eBay app. After you tap on eBay app, what else you can do is tap on my eBay. After you tap on my eBay, in shopping you can see over here purchase, tap on purchase. After you tap on purchase, what you can do is contact the seller. After you contact the seller, file a formal return request. If messaging does not resolve the issue, you must formally request a return. Thirdly, what you can do is ship the item back. If the return is accepted, you will receive a prepaid return label or an address to mail it to it. And next, what you can do is ask eBay to step in. If the seller has not refunded you within 2 business days after receiving the return item, go to the return request page and ask eBay to step in and help. Lastly, what you can do is receive the money. Refunds are Refunds are sent back to your original payment method and typically take 3 to 5 business days to process after the seller receives the item. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.